everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone straight to Google Drive. This is super easy way to back up your pictures and access them anywhere. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. If you don't have yet, you can just download it to your App Store. And once you're inside the app, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner, and from the options that appear, select Upload. Now tap on Photos and Videos, and this will open your photo library. Browse and select the pictures that you want to upload. You can select multiple photos at once. After choosing, tap Upload. Your selected photos will now start uploading to Google Drive. And once the upload is complete, you'll see the photos inside your drive, ready to access anytime from any device. And that's it. That's how you can transfer your photos from iPhone to Google Drive in just few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.